What's up everybody? My name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Alright, today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made before. So the title of the song is called Rain On Me by Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga. Okay, so let's go back to the studio and start. Alright, let's start. For this one, so we're facing to your left side. So you're gonna go 3 counts up. 1, 2, 3, close down on 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch on 5, 6. So follow your head, 5, 6, close on 7, 8. Okay? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts. Close on 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just use your hips. 7 and 8. One more time faster. 5, 6, 7. Oh, my hair. 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next question. Next, away on 1, 2. Look in front. 1, 2. Then in 3. Up on 4. 3, 4. Then hit right. 5, 6, 7. Lift on 8. One more time from here. So 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. 2 count. This one. 3, 4. 2 count. 5, 6, 7. Lift on 8. All right. Let's start from the first. From the beginning. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, next from here, 7. What's the last step? Okay, from here, 7, 7, 8. Use your hip 2 times. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down on 5. Touch on 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 6, 7. Sorry to balance. Sorry. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7. Turn and 8. Okay? I think my count is wrong. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the counting. 5, 6, 7. Hit. 1, 2, 3. Down on 4. Slowly 5. Flip your hair. 5, 6. Turn. 7. Cross. 8. Okay? For the last time. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Down 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump on 8. Let's combine. First 8 to 36. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, hit, 7, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, we're gonna go away. 2 counts going to your right. 7 and 1, 2, 3. Go 4, overhead. 5, 6, turn quick, 7. Then when you jump, grab it, 8. I cannot do it slowly on that one, alright? more time. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop 8. Okay? For the last time. 6, 7, 8. Go away. 2, 3, 4. Sorry, while doing this one, your hips gonna go to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's start from the top. So 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Look. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's so funny. Good. Alright, next from here. So 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go to your left, up, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7. Drop on 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch your skin. 7, 8. Got it? Continue. Let's continue. Go 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna use your hips on the third count. 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump on 4. Then hips on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Simple as that. Let's try from this. 7, 8. 1, 2. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips. 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's start from the beginning. Let's combine all of it. 5, 6. Count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hips up. Turn your hips and up. Alright, last 2 8 from here. So we gotta walk. 6, 7, 8. Simple walk. 1, 2, 3, quick. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's simple. Next, gotta go 1, 2, 3, back on 4. Then down on 5, open your leg. 6, 7, 8. Then add it. You can do it. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add it. 1, 2, 3. Anything. 5, 6. Warm. Alright? Good job! Let's try from the beginning, all of it. We do it slowly. Just once this time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget to touch your skin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, top, back, and 5, 6, 7, and add it. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to spread the love to others, share the videos, give us comment, and like it. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.